Hello guys, welcome to day 26 of our CapCut editing tutorial. I'm super excited again to come and show up for my audience, and this tutorial editing we have to finish it to day 30, and then you can see we are already in day 26. And then what we are going to learn today, we are going to learn how to do this time effect that you are seeing on this screen. And then without wasting much of our time, let's get right into it. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. So as you can see, I am on my phone now. Okay, so go to new project as usual. When you click on new project, you come to the library. Okay, so you click on the library, then you click on black. That means you are looking for black background, so you choose this one here, and then you can then you add to project. Let's see it has, so you can see where it has something. You can cut it from there because it's a video, so because we don't need much. So I want to split and delete it. Then you can now remove it like this. Okay, so you can see it's okay like this. You don't need anything, let it be just ordinary black background. So now that we have our black background already here, what we are going to do, you are going back and click on text. So in this text, so now that we have this, you come to add text. When you click on add text, you are going to write the number of years that you want. We are in 2025, so I can just write 2015. Then you click enter, you start writing it. 2016, 2017. So as you can see, we have 2000. So you try and make sure you put it at the middle. Okay, make sure you put it at the middle. It is you that just use your own initiative to know where to put it. Make sure it is at the middle. Okay, so it is at the middle. What you are going to do now is then where did you want it to start from? You make sure you want to put it at the middle of the screen. So you drag it down where you want us to start from. So 2025, that's where I want it to start from. So I'll put it at the middle. It's okay. So don't forget to change the font. It's better for us to have a big font. So you can change it, the font. Let me see. Change it to any font that you like. It's you that you can choose your font. Okay, so then I can make it more bigger so that you can be able to see it very well. Okay, so it's big now, very big. Then I can click on this check mark, and since my text is at the middle, I will leave it like that. Just use your own initiative and make sure that the text is the same as the black screen. Okay, so you leave it like that, and then you make sure that they are at the beginning very well. Now you add keyframe to the beginning. So once you add keyframe to the beginning, move the video to the end now. Then once you move it to the end, drag your text, drag it up to where you want it to stay, where you want last. Then I want 2025, since we are going to 2025. Okay, so I want the 2025 to be at the middle here. So you can see that immediately it has this diamond key automatic by itself. Then the next thing, it has not finished. Okay, the next thing is we are going to click on this graph here. Did you see this graph? This graph is graph. You tap on it. So once you tap on it, you are going to look for cubic ease. So you scroll, you go and look for cubic ease, which is this. So you tap on it. So you can see it moves. So you leave once you choose that, then you click on this check mark again. Then you come back to your screen, the original screen. You duplicate it. You duplicate. So you can see your duplicate. You duplicate it and you bring it as overlay down as usual. So overlay, they are not too far from each other. You tap on it, so you drag it to the same size. Okay, so once you drag it to the same size, you tap on your overlay and look for layers. So you can see the layers here. You tap on the layer and then you are going to change it. Okay, you are going to change that one to front. Okay, you are changing this black one here, you are taking it to the front here. That is how layers work. Then you click on OK. So you have changed it now. So once you have changed it, you go and look for your marks for this one that is now down here. You look for marks. So marks is here. You can see marks. Once in your marks, you are going to choose rectangle. As you can see, you tap on rectangle. So you can see now, once you tap on rectangle, you come back and choose invert. So you can see you have chosen your invert, and then you are going to adjust it, okay, to where you want it to start from. You are going to adjust it. No, you are going to adjust it. Okay, you can see we have adjusted it now. So once you have adjusted it, you click on OK. No, I want to tap on it, marks again. I want to make sure it is here. Okay, so you have adjusted it. Then you go and look for sound effect. You can add sound effect to it to make it scrolling effect. So you go to your sound, audio, FX, then you tap what you want. We are looking for up scroll. Okay, so yeah, this is up scroll. Let me listen to it. Okay, so I'll add it. I'll make sure that it's the same size with what I want, so that it will not be too much. So you can see it here. So let's play it now to see it. So I'll tap on my text. My text is not well arranged because I want to make sure it is well arranged. I want it to stop at 2025 here. So you watch it, we'll check it again. Super. I love it. And I'm loving this. So that is how easy it is to create this effect. You can see that it is easy to create. It's called time scrolling effect. So you can see, so simple to create. And then we have come to the end of today's editing tutorial. So we are going to 2025. All of us, we are going to get to 2025, and we are going to see beyond 2025. So my name is Ganny, and this is Grow With Ganny. Thank you for watching today, and then I will see ourselves in next day. Bye.